Right, it's now 3:15. Telly's shite, as you can probably hear. I'm going to turn it down. I'm going to listen to Charlie. It's doing no bad. Pick up in a minute. Just in case you think I'm kidding. Telly's fucking shite as well, and I can't find any fucking decent English speaking channels. Instead I need to listen to this cunt. There you go. So when I'm bob-eyed in the morning for the flight back, now you know why. I've got a couple of beers, by the way. There you go. Treat your fucking self. I might have these beers and then urinate in his boots. Give me a wee treat for the morning.